This is another exclusive Landers McLarty Subaru how-to tips and tricks video with our Love Encore specialist, Noah DeBeese.
Hey guys, Noah DeBeese here with another exclusive Landers McLarty tips and tricks video. Today we will be using this beautiful Outback Limited XT. The innovative DriveFocus system is just one of the ways that Subaru makes your safety our top priority. Using advanced facial recognition technology, the Outback's DriveFocus keeps an eye on you, even when you're focused on the road. Let's take a closer look on how to adjust your DriveFocus system. Let's start by accessing the DriveFocus menu. To access the DriveFocus setup, start by turning on the ignition. Once your Subaru Outback is running, navigate to the touchscreen display in the center console. Now, look for the settings icon and touch the icon to open the settings menu. In the settings menu, use the right arrow key at the top right of the screen to locate the tab titled as Car. Step 2. Let's add a driver profile. Select the Driver Monitoring System tab on the screen. If this is your first time setting up DriveFocus, or if you want to add a new driver profile, choose Register User. Next, adjust your seating to your best comfort, as well as your side view mirrors. To set the facial scan process, select Ready and slowly move your head left to right till you can hear the tone. Enter the required information for the new driver, such as name and preferred icon. After you've filled in the details, save the profile. Now your Subaru Outback will recognize and remember these settings whenever the driver is detected. As an optional step 3, there is a way to modify your driver profile. To modify an existing profile, we will select Update Seat and Mirror Position. After you select that button, you can update your driver seating position as well as your side view mirrors. Once updated, feel free to hit the Ready button and your profile has been saved. Hey guys, and it really is that easy. This has been another Landers McLarty Subaru exclusive tips and trick video with me, Noah DeBeese. For any future content, please feel free to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, at Landers McLarty Subaru, we're more than just a car company.